Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola Edge 30 Pro. First of all, open Play Store on both and click on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere. Install this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. To set it up, do exactly the same on both devices. Firstly, click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can choose Not Now if you wish to. Then close it by tapping on OK. Finally, click on Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and Receive next to Send at the bottom of Motorola. Stick around on Motorola to pick the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to an Android. You need to select all of those categories at the top, and in those categories select those type of dots at the top left corners. This way you will choose multiple files at once. You can also just click on the chosen ones, like this photo. When you finished, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and choose one of those connection ways. If you wish to scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on Motorola. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Motorola's camera at the code. If you want to input this key instead, just tap on Input key section and type in all of those numbers. Then connect thanks to Receive button. So when I click on it, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!